All right, I'm walking in the basin of a swale. A swale is a permaculture design that passively harvests water into the landscape. It is dug out on contour so that as water comes down the landscape, it falls in the basin, it stops and it sinks in, and it hydrates the water table for 30, 40 feet down slope. The soil it's taken from here is creating a downhill berm that gets planted, ideally with perennials, fruit trees, nut trees. Your food forest goes here. Then this basin gets filled in with wood chips so that it starts to get rich in fungi, breaking down into compost. The roots from what you plant here will tap into that, will explode. This whole design stacks functions that make your landscape thrive. Setting in the bones of design up front makes all the difference. So learn about swales.